So, your new baby is on the way, and you're probably freaking out just a little bit on everything that you need to do in order to prepare. But don't worry, we're giving you our top 7 best new parent tips and tricks to create a healthy, safe, and comfortable environment for you and your little one. Let's get started. Tip number 1, burping your baby. It's important to try and burp your baby when they show signs of discomfort from gas because burping is virtually painless for your baby compared to the gas coming out the other end. Excess gas can make your baby uncomfortable and fussy, making it hard to get them to fall asleep. One tip to help burp your baby properly is to prop them upright instead of leaning over them. You can also give your baby a gentle tummy massage. Lightly pat their back or take them by the underarms and provide a gentle lift to elongate their spine and help the gas move along. Tip number 2, use coconut oil to moisturize your baby's skin instead of a store-bought lotion and creams. Many of these quote-unquote baby-safe lotions may contain artificial fragrances, dyes, and harsh chemicals like parabens and sulfates. Even most unscented lotions and creams still contain at least one harmful chemical used to cover odors. Instead, switch to 100% natural coconut oil, especially organic, which contains no artificial fragrance or chemicals and is amazing for a newborn skin. It's rich in essential fatty acids and proteins. Coconut oil nourishes and gently moisturizes a baby's skin. Newborn skin is more delicate because it's brand new, thinner, more sensitive, and produces fewer moisturizing oils. So keeping your baby's skin moisturized helps keep them healthy and happy. Tip number 3, baby-proof the house. Here are 4 baby-proofing measures that you don't want to skip. First, install electric outlet covers. This will prevent your baby from getting zapped once they're old enough to crawl and explore. While it is less likely for your baby to get shocked from simply touching the outlet, they may get shocked if they stick any metal-containing objects into the outlet or if they yank the cords out of the wall. Use an outlet cover that prevents electrical cords from getting pulled. Second, anchor any furniture that is prone to tipping over. Throughout the years, this has unfortunately been a common and easily avoidable cause for serious injury for thousands of babies every year who are old enough to crawl. Plus, kids and pets can also cause furniture to fall over near a crib, putting your baby in harm's way. Make sure to use an anti-tip wall strap to secure your dressers and bookshelves to the wall and prevent them from tipping over. Third, use door latches and locks to prevent your little one from opening any drawers or doors that contain anything dangerous or dirty. We recommend the type of latches that have on-off locks, so when you don't need them, you can deactivate the locks and avoid any frustration from constantly jarring the lock each time you forget to disengage it. Finally, use gates to block off any stairways to keep your baby safe in a confined area. You can use standard pressure gates or a fabric wrap style gate such as the stair barrier that isn't prone to falling off and requires no heavy installation. Tip number 4, switch to a plant-based laundry detergent. Most big brand laundry detergents contain a plethora of toxic chemicals and dyes like sodium lauryl sulfite, phosphates, and even chlorine and formaldehyde. Even if you buy the clear green or eco brands, big brand detergents will still hide many of their toxic ingredients using an alternative chemical names you wouldn't even recognize, or by hiding them in proprietary fragrance blends. These chemicals actually end up inside the fibers of your baby's blankets, onesies, and towels before being absorbed into their skin, potentially causing not just skin irritations but also health problems after it's absorbed into their bloodstream. Instead, upgrade to a plant-based laundry detergent like Truly Free Laundry Wash. Laundry Wash actually isn't detergent, but instead a gentle, effective, natural soap that uses mild salts and essential oils to naturally clean clothes and keep your baby's skin safe. You can get 100 free loads right now by clicking below this video. Tip number 5, understanding baby language. We all know when a baby cries, they're probably upset about something. But did you know that there are even more subtle cues that babies use to communicate what they need or want? For example, if your baby is making an "oh" sound or an "ah" sound, it likely means that they're tired. If they're making grunting noises or an sound with an E at the beginning, they might be telling you that they just have gas. Or if your baby has a burst of short sneezes, it could indicate that they may be overstimulated and need to chill out in a quiet place for a little while. Tip number 6, remove toxic air fresheners. Most of the breezy style air freshening sprays and plugins contain a lot of harsh chemicals that work by disrupting your olfactory senses. They essentially cause damage to your mucous membrane so you can't smell the odor, leaving the source of the smell untreated anyway. These chemicals are not safe anywhere near your baby, so make sure to remove any of these from your home and instead switch to using a baby-safe essential oil like orange, lavender, or dill. This can help freshen a room and alleviate odors without using any toxic airborne chemicals. It is recommended though to wait until your baby is at least 6 months old before diffusing any essential oils. Tip number 7. If your baby is confused about when daytime and nighttime is, and they're experiencing a less than ideal sleep cycle, it is not recommended to keep them up all day and hope that they sleep at night. This will most definitely backfire. Instead, help them establish their circadian rhythm by leaving the windows open, keeping the TV on, and having some general noise during the daytime, followed by keeping your house dark and quiet at night. Finally, if your baby is fighting sleep or is being especially fussy, a neat trick is to take them outside for a couple minutes. The simple change in environment can really help your child to calm down and settle in for sleep. We hope these new baby tips and tricks help you keep your newborn healthy and happy, and also keep your stress levels as low as possible too. And don't forget to grab your 100 free loads of baby-safe laundry wash using the link below. It'll keep your baby's blankets and onesies free of toxic detergent and get out the toughest stains without using any harmful chemicals. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new bundle of joy.